Here's a step-by-step guide to enable fast startup on Windows 10. Access power options. Click on the Windows Start button and type Control Panel in the search bar. Open the control panel from the search results. Navigate to Power Options. In the control panel, select Hardware and Sound or directly click on Power Options. Choose what power buttons do. On the left-hand side, click on Choose what the power buttons do from the list of options. Change settings, administrator rights required. You might encounter a prompt that says some settings are managed by your system administrator. To access these settings, click on Change settings that are currently unavailable. This might prompt you to enter your administrator password or confirm with admin rights. Once the administrator settings are accessible, scroll down to the Shutdown Settings section. Check the box next to Turn on Fast Startup, Recommended. Click Save Changes at the bottom of the window. Close Control Panel. Close the control panel, and the changes will be saved. Enabling fast startup can significantly decrease the boot time of your Windows 10 system by using a technique that combines elements of hibernation and shutdown. This feature essentially saves the system state and some system files to a hibernation file upon shutdown, allowing for a quicker startup when the computer is turned back.